Now at 6, dramatic moments inside a Metro PCS store when 2 gunmen robbed the place, and all of it is caught on camera. The whole time customers were inside the store, there was even a man holding a baby carriage. CBS 4's Joan Murray is live at the store in Pembroke Park with more. Joan.
And it happened about 1:30 in the afternoon yesterday. Elliot, you can't imagine the frightening moments for these people, not knowing whether this gun was going to go off intentionally or accidentally.
They say it's pretty scary over there. It's pretty scary.
Every angle of the violent crime is captured on surveillance. Wednesday afternoon, 2 masked men storm into this Metro PCS store. One man brandishes a scoped assault rifle. They order the 3 employees and 4 customers, including one holding a baby in a carrier, to stay put.
Don't move! I promise God, don't do it!
As one of the clerks presses a silent alarm, the assailants panic for a second and then take off, toting all the cash register drawers. One leaps over the counter to make his escape.
Go!
And they pull here and they just take off fast.
This man, who works nearby, saw the thieves rush in and rush out.
Well, they ain't getting nothing out of it but go to jail. If you know, they should never do it. Go work like everybody else.
The getaway driver was in a Nissan Maxima, dark colored. The men in the store had their faces covered with a T-shirt, so hard to get a glimpse of them. But if you know anything about this crime, call Crime Stoppers 954-493-TIPS. In Pembroke Park tonight, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.
Joan, thank you.